we are going to see an application level question of random which is given in your textbook to find the sum of digits, which is digits of a 3-digit number which is generated using random function. You know that random is a module, it is having a load of functions, but we are just going to use just one function of that one, and which is required for our program. So we are using a statement like this: from random module we are importing random function. So to do that one, just write random, from random import random. That's enough. Then we are going to apply this one within the same range limits which we have already done yesterday. We are just going to calculate in between 100 and 1000. 900 plus 100, 1000 and yesterday we have already seen that one. So this random function will help you to generate a random number in between this particular range, and it will be get assigned to the variable n. You know that whenever you are working with random, you always calculate a floating point number. So we have to convert it into an integer one. So for that thing, we are using an int built-in function, which is helping you to convert a floating point number to integer, and which will be going to get assigned to the same variable itself. So now the new value of n is going to become an integer number, and if you want to print it, use the print statement. Within that one, you just give n as the argument, so it will print the value which we want to print in an integer format. Suppose let that n be 739. So we have to do the integer calculation just like this: 7 plus 3 plus 9. To do that operation, we are going to follow these 3 steps, upcoming 3 steps. So first of all, we have to extract the value 7 from this number 739. So to extract that one, if you are trying to divide this number by 100, you know that your quotient will be 7. So we are just going to do the integer division, otherwise you will get float output. So n float division 100, it will give you 7. Definitely it will be an integer number. That is going to get assigned to A. Then we are still having this number with us, right? 739. So we have to extract 3 from that one. For extracting 3 from this number, first of all, what they are going to do is divide this particular number by 10, so that you will get the value 73. Again, this number is going to divide by 10, and you are going to extract the remainder of that one. So for that thing, we are using a modulus operator here. So you will get just 3. That means the middle number you will get. That number is going to get assigned to the variable b. Here already we got an integer value, so on that integer value only we are going to do the modulus operator. So we are having 2 integer operands. Using that one, you will definitely get integer thing itself, and always the remainders will be integer also. So the value 3 is going to get assigned to b. Then now also your n is 739. Whenever you are having such type of problems, always make sure that what is the value of n. If you are very thorough with the value of n, that if it is always 739 itself, you will be able to do this particular operation. Sometimes in programs and all, sometimes you will try, if you are trying to divide n divided by 100, and if you are trying to assign to n itself, the value will be get changed. So make sure that such type of things have not happened. So now we are going to extract our last digit 9. So to do that extraction, we are going to divide this number by 10, but we have to extract the modulus. So n mod 10, it will always retrieve you the value 9, and that value 9 is going to get assigned to c. So now we are going to add a plus b plus c, and that thing we are not giving as a separate statement, we are giving in the print statement itself. A plus b plus c, it will give you 7 plus 3 plus 9, so that you will get the answer 90. So this is the way to work upon that particular problem. Write down all these steps which I have written here in your text, either in your textbook or in your notebook, so that it will be easy for you to go through that thing later.